Hello, this is David McClure, President of Foam Engineers. Today I'm going to show you how I insulated the basement foundation walls in my storage area. I decided to do this to help save energy and money. My storage area contains the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system for the whole house. Before insulating, this room would get very cold in the winter, which would make my heating system work harder. Now the room is comfortable and I'm saving energy. So this is where it started, a long uninsulated wall with storage racks. I furred out the walls with 2x4s spaced 24 inches on center. I went to 24-inch centers to reduce the amount of lumber that would be required. This also makes sense because wood is not a good insulator. Less wood means lower cost and better energy efficiency. I also set these furred walls away from the foundation wall by about 2 inches. So I ended up with a total cavity depth of about 5.5 inches. That's a 2-inch spacing off the wall and then 3.5-inch depth for the 2x4s themselves. In this picture, we see foam applied to the foundation wall. Notice foam expanding behind the studs. Foam behind the studs means more insulation and the wall assembly more energy efficient. Here's another picture. Where there were beams, plumbing, or ducting, I just left the wall short and foamed directly to the foundation wall. No need for studs running vertically. I used open cell spray foam, but closed cell would have been a good choice too. I like to use open cell foam when I can because it's less expensive and easy to remove or cut if needed later. Closed cell foam is more dense and very tough to cut away. This foam mostly fills the cavities, but there was some gap. I wanted to get a lot of insulation without the need to trim off too much excess foam. I figure I'm at least R13 on these walls. But it's an R13 with very few thermal bypasses. Remember, I went 24 inches on center and left a 2-inch gap off the foundation wall. This is going to be a very energy efficient wall system. I left much of the foam exposed. Where the foam was not covered by drywall, I sprayed DC 315 thermal barrier paint over the foam to comply with fire code. I'm happy with it. It's now a comfortable part of our house. Now I just need to move everything back in to fill up the shelves.